Welcome to CoCoGlen's Life. Today I'm going to show you how to cook grits. I have placed my stove on medium to high heat and I have a medium size saucepan. I am spraying my saucepan with non-stick spray to prevent my grits from sticking to the pan. Okay, once I have my pan sprayed down, I grab 2.5 cups to 3 cups of water, pour it in. As you can see, the nonstick substance is floating a little bit to the top. That's all right. We're not going to worry about that. I'm adding a little bit more water. Next, I grab the salt. So this is about maybe um, 1.5 teaspoons to 2 teaspoons of salt. Um, I like to salt my water because I don't really like to use raw salt after things are cooked. So salting the water beforehand, I think is helpful. Next, I grab my grits, and so I'm gonna put about maybe 1.5 cups of grits in here for to make this dish. Now that I added my grits, I'm stirring it around just to check the consistency of the grits. Grits do tend to swell up, so that's why I'm just kind of checking the consistency. Oh yeah, that's too many grits came out on that spoon. Way too many. That's gonna make my grits too thick. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna remove any grits that I just don't want that I feel like will mess up my dish. So I'm just kind of circling and removing these grits. I still feel like it's too many grits in there, so I'm just discarding what I don't want. Still stirring, still checking. Let's see here. It's still too many. I don't like it. So I'm just kind of throwing it away and I'm stirring just to see if I could get the consistency I want. Let's see here. Oh, okay. I think I'm coming close. You see that? Okay, that's a little yeah, that's not much. Okay, let's see. What do we have? Okay, I'm stirring. Oh, okay. We're getting there. Okay, we're getting there. Now that I've removed all the extra lumps, I'll come back and recheck it in a few minutes. Okay, my grits have been simmering for a while, so now I just need to stir it. You always want to make sure that you're stirring your grits on a regular basis, stirring it frequently. You're kind of scraping the bottom, scraping the sides, checking the consistency, just stirring, checking for lumps. If you see any lumps, you definitely want to remove those, or you can beat them out with a spoon, like I usually do. But I don't see any lumps here because I did remove the excess grits that would have made my grits thicker than the consistency that I wanted. So I'm just make sure you stir your grits at all times because if it sticks to the bottom, they will burn, and you do not want your grits to burn. So continuously stir for about 10 minutes. But I forgot to add an important ingredient: milk. I usually use about maybe 1/4 of a cup of milk. um, I like my grits a tad bit creamy, so I'm using 1/4 a cup of milk. I forgot to mention the most important part when cooking grits is make sure when your grits start to come to a boil that you turn the heat down to low medium. Okay, that'll stop your grits from sticking. So now that I added my milk, I'm just kind of stirring again, checking for lumps. Oh yeah, no lumps. Looks like I have the right consistency. Yes, I like how this is looking. I need a little bit more milk because, like I stated, I like my grits a little bit more creamy. So I'm just gonna mix that in, make sure that's blended really, really well. Stir that up really good. Again, kind of stirring around the bottom and on the sides, and just kind of checking. And I like how everything looks at this point. Now that the grits are almost done, let's go ahead and add butter. You need butter in your grits, okay? It's just, it needs to happen, okay? So you want to put that butter in there, stir it up really, really good, and it will give your grits an amazing taste, and you will not have any regrets. You can always cut back on butter in other areas, other breakfast items that you're cooking, but just don't do it in grits, okay? Look at that butter. Oh my God. It makes it look so good. Look at that butter. Butter, guys. That is beautiful. So you want to continue to stir in your butter. Still checking the consistency. You want to check for lumps. Stir, checking the consistency, checking for lumps, stirring in that butter at the same time. The consistency, I am good with the consistency of these grits because you want a medium. You don't want your medium consistency. You don't want your grits too thick or too thin. So this is a very good consistency, and this is how you cook grits. You're checking it, you're stirring it, you're doing everything you can just to make sure your grits will come out okay. Thank you for watching How to Cook Grits with CoCoGlen Life. Please like, subscribe, and share.